Welcome back to Navigating Data, the Apollon podcast. We're on episode 4 already, and this time we're really going to dig into product information management. Specifically, why having a system dedicated to that can be a total game changer. We at Apollon, we're all about helping you navigate those tricky data waters. And today we're tackling a question that seems to come up a lot. Why not just stick with Excel for my product information?
It's a common one. Excel, it's familiar, it's right there on everyone's computer, seems logical.
Right, exactly. At first glance, it makes perfect sense. So where does it fall apart? What's the issue with relying on Excel for something as important as product information management?
Okay, so think about it like this. Imagine trying to, I don't know, build a whole house with just a hammer. You might get started, but you're going to run into problems fast.
Hit a wall, so to speak.
Exactly, hit a wall. That's Excel for product information management. Good for basic stuff, but it doesn't have what you really need to build something strong, something that can grow.
Okay, yeah, I'm starting to see your point. So what happens when businesses actually try to make Excel work for product information management? Where's the breaking point?
It's the volume. It's the complexity of all the product information these days. You've got your descriptions, the variations, images, videos, all the specs, maybe translations if you're selling in different places. Trying to cram all of that into spreadsheets, it just gets out of hand.
Ugh, it's giving me horrible flashbacks to those monster spreadsheets that scroll forever.
And that's just the start. Our source material this time, it really highlights how using Excel for product information management, it makes those data silos in companies even worse.
Data silos.
Different teams end up with their own versions of the truth. Marketing's got one product description, the website's showing something else, sales is using old pricing. It's a mess.
Oh, yeah. That's going to lead to some unhappy customers. Guaranteed. Probably lost sales, too.
Without a doubt. And in this whole omni-channel world we're in now, consistency is king. People shopping online, reading reviews, checking prices on different sites, they expect everything to match up perfectly.
Totally. Nobody's got the patience for that anymore. One whiff of inconsistency, and they're off to the competition.
And we haven't even talked about how boring it is, visually, I mean. In the age of Instagram, TikTok, a spreadsheet to show off your products, please. People want those exciting visuals, videos, the interactive stuff. Excel just can't do that.
So it's like trying to win a design award with a black and white pamphlet. Good luck with that.
You got it. You need the right tools to create those product experiences people actually respond to. And that's where a real dedicated product information management system comes in. It fills that gap.
So if using Excel is like, what was it, trying to cross the ocean in a rowboat? What's a dedicated product information management system like?
Now we're talking. That's more like a state-of-the-art cruise ship. It's built to handle everything modern product information management throws at it. You'll get where you need to go smoothly, efficiently. Plus, it's got that built-in crew features and capabilities ready to do the heavy lifting. No more rowing yourself.
Okay, the cruise ship analogy, I like it. So instead of bobbing around in my little spreadsheet rowboat,
Right.
a dedicated product information management system, that's my stable, luxurious ship to navigate all this product information.
Exactly. And just like a cruise ship, right, with all its different decks and areas, you've got that centralized, organized system to manage everything. It's the single source of truth that everybody in the company can rely on.
Which gets rid of those data silos we were talking about. No more confusion, no more trying to figure out which spreadsheet is the most up-to-date.
Exactly. Marketing, sales, your e-commerce people, even partners outside the company, everyone's on the same page at the same time. Easier collaboration, fewer mistakes, just makes life simpler.
Love to hear it. But it's not just about putting all the data in one place, right? The article also mentioned data quality and automation as major pluses of having a dedicated system.
You're right. With a product information management system, you're not just storing data, you're making it better. They've got built-in features that keep your data clean and consistent. Things like automated checks, real-time updates, even AI to help write better descriptions and content.
Wow, so it's like having a whole team of data experts working behind the scenes.
Exactly. And that frees up your human team to focus on the more important creative stuff.
Yeah.
No more manual spreadsheet updates, no more hunting down information. Now they can focus on building relationships, creating amazing marketing campaigns, and bringing in those sales.
Sounds like everyone wins with that. Speaking of wins, what about this whole omni-channel thing we keep hearing about? How does product information management play into that?
That's where it really shines. Businesses need to be everywhere these days. Websites, online marketplaces, social media, even those old school print catalogs. And the experience has to be consistent everywhere. A product information management system makes sure all your product information descriptions, images, even videos are formatted correctly and sent to all those different places without a hitch. No more manual adjustments, no more copying and pasting between platforms.
So like a universal translator for product data. Wherever a customer encounters the product, the information's the same, the experience is smooth.
You got it. That consistency builds trust, it strengthens your brand, and ultimately it drives sales. Meeting your customers wherever they are with the right info, right when they need it.
This makes perfect sense to me. It's like you're speaking my language.
Right.
Streamlined, efficient, customer-focused. That's what we want.
And we haven't even gotten to the really good stuff yet, the specific features and capabilities that make a product information management system so powerful.
So we've talked about the drawbacks of Excel and the overall benefits of a dedicated product information management system, but let's get specific. The article mentioned a 360-degree product view. What does that even mean when we're talking about these systems?
It means all the information about a product, all in one place, like a central hub, but dynamic, always updated.
Okay, I like that. So what kind of information are we talking about?
Everything. Descriptions that really draw people in, the marketing copy, technical stuff, high-quality images, videos, even customer reviews, related products, accessories. All connected, easy to find.
That's amazing. No more searching through a million files to find what you need.
Exactly. And everyone benefits. Marketing has what they need to launch campaigns that get results. Sales teams have the details at their fingertips to answer any question and close deals. E-commerce managers, they can make sure all the product pages are accurate, up to date, and looking sharp.
Streamlines the whole process. What about automation? The article mentioned that product information management systems can take care of a lot of the tedious work involved in managing product data. Can you give us some examples?
Absolutely. Think about all the time wasted on manually entering data, copying and pasting between spreadsheets, updating information on different platforms. A good product information management system can automate most of that repetitive stuff.
Like having a virtual assistant just humming away in the background.
Exactly. And now your team can focus on the important things. No more manual data entry, no more scavenger hunts for information. They can work on strategy, build relationships, and create marketing campaigns that really sing.
That frees up so much time and energy for the good stuff. It's like trading in your old clunky tools for some high-tech robots.
I like that analogy. And speaking of upgrading, let's talk about data governance. It might not sound exciting, but it's crucial, especially with things like the digital product passport coming up.
You're right. We've talked about the digital product passport, the DPP, on the podcast before. But for those who might not remember, can you give us a quick refresh?
Sure. The digital product passport is like an electronic record with all the details about a product's life.
Okay, from the very beginning.
From the very beginning. Raw materials, manufacturing, environmental impact, even how it should be disposed of at the end. It's all about transparency, being able to track everything, and sustainability.
Sounds like a big change for how companies manage product information.
It is a big change.
Yeah.
And a big opportunity. Businesses will need to gather, manage, and share tons of data. Trying to do that with spreadsheets, forget it. A solid product information management system is the only way to go.
So it's more than just checking a box for compliance. It's about being ready for the future of product information.
Exactly. And a product information management system that's designed with the DPP in mind doesn't just help you meet those requirements, it helps you use that data strategically. You're being more transparent with consumers, you've got a more efficient and sustainable supply chain, and that all builds a stronger brand reputation.
Those are some serious advantages.
Hmm?
And speaking of advantages, we at Apollon have actually developed a product information management system designed to help businesses thrive in this new data-driven world.
That's right. It's called OMN, Product Information Management, and it's got everything we've talked about today. Central hub for all your product information. Check. Top-notch data quality, streamlined collaboration, the ability to deliver a consistent, engaging product experience across all channels. Check, check, check. Plus, it's built to handle everything the digital product passport will require.
So OMN, Product Information Management, it's like the captain steering the ship, guiding businesses through the digital product passport and beyond.
Nicely put. If you're ready to dive into the world of product information management and see how OMN, Product Information Management, can transform your business, we've got a link in our show notes for a personalized demo. Check it out.
And that is a wrap on this deep dive into product information management. We at Apollon are here to help you navigate these waters and set your business up for success.
Until next time on Navigating Data, may your data always be smooth sailing.